Welcome to Cruise Exclusive. Labo mukwano bwe gutuuse okubanga ate mwana mulenzi proposing de mune mu street ya Kampala buterevu awo nnyo nnyini wa Muwerede akaweta ku street ye Kampala. Kankuleko enjoy ngo mukwano eno gye bayita Cruise Exclusive tugenda kuba tukyaza mwana mulenzi Sam ne mwana munne.
Wonder if he's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when he's gone. He's always gone too long. Anytime he goes away. And I know there ain't no sunshine when it's gone. It's always gone too long. Anytime it goes away. Ain't no sunshine when my man's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when it's gone. It's always gone too long. Anytime it goes away. Oh, anytime it goes away.
Kale Cruise Exclusive kwetuli webala nnyo okubeera nga ate otwekuumirako gwali mu nsi ez'ebunaayira abatulabire Sweden abatulabire mu America abatulabire UK abatulabire Saudi Qatar Dubai mwena mwebale nnyo mwebaire ddala ntadde ka video ku social media platforms zange omwami eyagenze ku street oba yakunganyiza ba border oba yakoledde ku lugudo ki how did he get that concept na surprising na proposing ira a girlfriend we ku street wakati mu kibuga Kampala ani ya planninze nani ya chikoze nani God knows but first of all kinyumidde abakyala Ladies have been telling me it has been something nice, something that many have not done. So, introduce yourself to these guys, then tugende masa amanyago, then tandikirawo.
Well, amanya gange bampita Sams Kagwa.
Okay.
I'm an ICT person, an ICT engineer. Nkola ne company bajita Uplink. Uplink Computer Solutions. Bakola ebintu bingi ICT related, camera installation. Basically, ICT world. So, yeah.
Anyway, Mr. Sam, tugenze ku zibadde sawa meka, and how did you get this idea?
Well, zibadde sawa mukaga kitundu to 1. And the whole idea was, you know, we actually have a wedding coming up. My wedding is our wedding is June 12th of June, yeah. Yeah, somewhere. So we've been trying to plan this and this, but then I remembered I never proposed to.
Hey,
I never proposed to. It has been part of me. Okay. But I wanted something unique, something to come out. Well, Bachkolako, but I also wanted something. Echita day, you know. Then I thought about. I have a production team for the wedding. Then Lens Media came up with the idea that I should have to propose. Then I said, oh well, they gave me a month actually to think of this concept. They came up with different concepts, but I picked this one. The risk was, it was supposed to be a risk because in the middle of the road, traffic is crazy, and everybody, Good Friday is quite a busy day. But this time around, it is a public holiday, it hasn't been so crazy. I was worried of traffic, police, bichi. Then well, let me try my luck. Police are proposing at Kusiba. So Ningamba Bagai Banga to organizing.
Omuwala tachimanyi. Where was she?
I came with her.
You came with her?
Yeah, Zena.
Nga plan go jimanyi.
We had a plan. We are supposed to go somewhere because every week we dedicate a day to our wedding plans. I'm busy at our office. Friday we're going to do this and this and this and this. Yeah. I've been with her for now 4 years.
4 years, okay.
Yes, yeah. So today we are going to have lunch with ICT gurus. So Nangamba really on a Friday, to have Easter with us. No, it's okay, we can go and come back. That's why we are not doing dinner, we are doing lunch.
Just lunch.
Because I didn't want to be so smart, you know. Because that's not my normal attire. As an engineer, so that is my setup. Because as we are going to work, you know. So netujampola netugenda ku Lens Media awo ne ba kola setup zaabwe biki katinga. My worry is how to execute it out. Zikirira wansi, you know. I had my plan how I'm going to do it. Nenga kirira traffic senge nyimiriza awo ha problem.
Traffic yajosinza okutya.
Yeah, because ukisoka bagenda kukwata amateeka. Emirizo, that's a VIP road. It's a very busy road. I think it is actually not allowed. You can't send your work and say permission. Who are you?
You're going to disorganize us.
So Ningamba and ties rules.
How do you get her out of that car?
No, she I asked her to come and help me. Stop in the police again to Sango, and she doesn't like disorganization. And I did her nature enough. What should I do?
Or camera person, very well.
Best station is a da.
Yeah,
so nga webali nengera kukuba omuntu aba akwata ebifaananyi. Kampala is a busy road, you can't tell me nti waki bankwata, you know. So kati ne bwabalabye ate nze nenkya nengamba ye bagenda kwonona ekintu kyange naye tabafuddeko because her concentration was on the car. So ne tubeera awo ne tuzanya awo ne tugira kyerugize ne I went down on my knees and asked her to marry me. Oh, she couldn't believe. Yeah, it was quite a crazy moment. I even thought she's going to faint. Kubanga it is chimuyitiddeko n'emikwano gye basista be bani ba Tony ba production team yange yona nevayo ng'ate abamanyi n'abagamba you people watch temwambieko, but of course the surprise team yange yakimakinze kubanga kiri kamu nga tebakyogedde, so it is very good that it came out. And instead that the NTV was passing neyimirira nayo badde babavaaweeyo and they already, I think they are shooting a documentary on the road. I got so lucky. TV yeah. Never namawulira abalala awo badde bayitawo because Good Friday ideally inakubeera walk of the what? Kutambuza musalaba. Yeah, but so ndoza badde bagezaako kunoonya abantu abatayinza okutambuza omusalaba in a scientific manner. I was lucky until it came out well.
After putting the ring on her finger,
yes.
Agambye eki nga mumazaawo kati omuli babiri one on one.
She didn't speak for 10 minutes. Kwanga mvuze mmoroka ne tuvaayo ne tugenda we twasimbukidde ne bali abantu abalala nga she can't talk nga tasobola kwogera. She's so amused, musanyufu nnyo, she does it. Kwanga kuva ku makya she couldn't believe.
Are you this kind of a person asaagasaaga wakazanyazanya nti abadde yabaidde asobola kisuubira? Nsaaga well. Naye okusaaga kwange kuli nnyo mu she knows I'm a purpose person. Ate okusaaga kwange mulimu ebintu ebimu byesateranya okusaagiramu. I've done surprises, but she didn't expect this. She really was taken off. Kugamba mbeera nnyo serious amanyi nti bwe bamugambye nti do this, we are going here, aba amanyi kyetugenda okukola. So she didn't think about it. Yet era abadde tasobola kusuubira nti kubanga being a Good Friday naku zaffe amanyiza abasajja tubeera mu byaffe kuba kidongo nga bw'omanyi Friday it has been a heavy week and you have a long weekend. Team yange nagidisperse nze dda bagende bawummulemu. So kibadde nti tabadde nnyo tusuubira if we're going out it was Saturday tomorrow or Sunday. So it was a calm day. Tebadde tasuubira nti we are going anywhere. Naye namugambye dinner gyekiro nangamba nti that one let us go. Okay.
Yeah.
Kale, so Mr. Sam, ebigambo by'oyinza what's her name?
Hope.
Yeah. Into the camera ebigambo by'oyinza omugamba towards the wedding because at a wedding nina okubaako.
Yeah, Hope, I love you so much. Thanks for accepting this. I'm sorry it came out this way. A huge surprise. I was worried you were going to collapse. But good enough, it came out well. Thank you so much. I love you. And more bigger than these things to come. Thank you. I'd like to thank your sisters, my people, my team and everything. Okay. See you in the wedding. Okay.
Olunaku luwedde lutya? Mugenda dumala lutya?
We are having dinner here. Actually, Bamuleta. Nene ni surprise by the way.
Neno tajimanyi?
Taina chamanyi. She's not era mbuziza mugambe anze ngeze kola. Kwanga najidde ne kakulekere sister wo bwe nawe amaze okukola we are working. There's a place in Kansanga we are working on, it's called Gamers. It's a new place coming up. Tubeerayo nga tukola. Ole mugambe no. I'm going to see Jackson tukole tumalirize ekifo kye. Nangamba by the way Jackson omulimu gwenga muguluddeko nyo. Ngano katugende tukole since I'm in town. Nangamba kati so where do we go? Because you be here. Nenganze I have my team racers bar. Tujja wano. So kati bali bamukumye sawa 12 bajja ko bamuleta.
Anna oto agara na okagenda kubera maziga malala.
Yeah, era she doesn't. No bino bena because there is a new all experience tana chamanyi.
Wow. Yeah. Kale, let's see engeri Hope jageno ye Hope.
Yeah, Hope.
Let's see how Hope is going to look on this day. Tenge era bagenda mu surprise endala ku lunako lwerumu. So let's see how Hope will look into our cameras. Alan Cruz is my name. Awe nnyo kubera nga tukumirako. Tovao tukomone surprise ya Hope endala.
All right. Let's go smooth.
Owaye tata. Kogwe koyo ka Guinness.
Onywamu. Omwana yakubye vivi wansi. Mona chagwe. yakubye vivi wansi n'agamba nti bebi eriyo marami
naye bino obisobola
owaaye mbisobola mbisobola
beautiful ogenda bimukolera essaawa yonna
essaawa yonna
ate wagamba omukazi yali akubbi waliwo omukazi yali akubbi
namugobera madamu gwe ndina first class world class first class world class
omukola omusajja omuyita otya
kyali wange
wabadde mu lukwe
nalulimu naye neebase naza okusenda byebifaananyi yensoka wakinkedde wano twabiteesaako neneebaka naye musajja wange ndudde naye emyaka nga 10 nga twema 11 so ya nze mubeererewo tusanyuke embaga tugitwala ku kizinga
akabebi kamaanyi
nnyo